Hello everyone! Do you want to see something cool? There you go, check this out. This is the 3D wooden Automata model called Junker from Elo. And if you are wondering what an Automata model even is, so Automata stands for that it basically mimics movement of objects or a person or animals. So as we can see in this photo, there's a lot going on, so there's a lot of junk all over the place. But it doesn't really look like junk, it just looks really cool. So there's going to be a lot of mechanical parts, so that means moving parts, and there's going to be mimicked mechanical movements from this little guy who's sitting in there, the boat, and a lot more things. And the best part is that it also comes with a music box. It's hand cranked, so when you start cranking it up, it's going to play a tune and a lot of stuff is just going to start happening. And I am also delighted to announce that I have partnered up with this specific brand, Elo. So make sure guys, you go and get some of their Automata models. I've got a link to their website and their Amazon store in my description and comments section. I would recommend to check them out on Amazon because the delivery will be probably quicker and it's cheaper. And trust me when I say it, their models are absolutely incredible. So I'm going to mention just a couple of quick things, very quick, don't worry. So their models come pre-colored already, so it's not your plain wooden looking model. And the other biggest thing is, literally the biggest, is because they are massive. If you have assembled any of these, they are huge. So when you actually hold the box and you just look at it, you're just thinking kind of naturally, it's just the normal type of size wooden model, but no, they are absolutely massive. It's quite incredible. And I did assemble one of their models already called the Peddling Puppeteer. You can actually go and check out the video right in that corner. Or you can go and check it out after this video is done, you see, and see the size of it and the mechanics. It's absolutely brilliant. And then by the end of this video, we are going to see how this sounds and works. And here we go, everybody. So the first thing we're going to look at is the size of it. So look at that. That is just the base, and I've placed a Rubik's Cube just right next to it, as you can see, and it is tiny already. And just look at the size of it. I have to take my camera so far back just to get everything in. It's absolutely massive. And look how much detail and everything in the colour, and everything that's in there is absolutely brilliant. Look at that, it's like wings, you know, but they are just your doors, you know. Check out his little wee face, looking very cool. And the umbrella at the back, and yep, very soon I'm gonna crank that handle right there and we're gonna check out how it works. But yeah, absolutely love this model. So now let's go and crank that handle and see exactly what's going on. Now how cool is that? The actual melody is brilliant, and because I waxed all the gears and everything else, it runs so smoothly, it's absolutely awesome. And as we could see, those doors, so I'm going to call them wings, obviously they were moving up and down, the umbrella is moving up and down at the back, the little wee guy inside of the junker is moving his arms back and forth and rocking kind of back and forth. Then we've got our propeller going. There's just so much going on and it looks absolutely awesome. And I hope you really enjoyed this video, guys, so make sure you leave a like down below and subscribe for more videos like this one, and don't forget to go and check out their models in my description or in the comment section and get your own Automata satisfaction. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I shall see you all next time. Bye for now.